Hi guys, these days we are rolling into yam harvesting season. So today I'll be harvesting yam in my gym field. This is my gym field hut. This is the stick which we use in uprooting or harvesting yam. Yam had been a staple food of konyak Naga. Probably the climatic condition must be the factor that the yam which grown in our region gives a different taste. The uniqueness of yam is that every part of yam are consumable. Its leaves, stem and roots all are consumable, whereas we cannot consume other vegetable parts. Here I'll show you how we the konyak make different types of dishes with yam. Here I'll show you how to cook yam with chorus. Yam can be cooked with cover. This type of cooking is done to substitute the rice as a meal. Here in this type of cooking, we need not add any spices like chilies, salt. Add a sufficient volume of water according to the level of this yam. We can cover it with this leaf. And bind it with splitted bamboo rope. And place it over fire. And it should be heated over the fire for maximum 2 hours. After having cooked for maximum 2 hours, now it is ready to have. Peel off its cover. This type of preparing dish, only stems and leaves parts should be cooked. I'll show you how to make. Some medicinal leaves, bamboo shoots, chilies, salt, Here, in this type of preparing dish, the covers have to be removed. Add some bamboo shoot. You can add any type of smoked meat. Today we are going to add this red meat. First it should be roasted over the fire. Add some quantity of salt and this messina seeds, chilies, add some water, put it over the fire. After it is well cooked, it should be grinded with this grinding stick. It's time for lunch. I'm going to have a really delicious dish. It's so delicious. Hi viewers, as the dusk is coming around, I have to return back home. But before that, I request all the viewers to please like, share and subscribe our channel. We will be coming up with more videos on rural life.